Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having lower miles with less wear and tear, a good deal, and loaded with features. Features also include traction control, heated seats, rear view camera, heated mirrors, tire pressure monitoring system. With these ratings, take a ride in the 2014 Tundra. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.7-liter engine and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, 4-wheel drive, tow hitch, heated mirrors, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, steel wheels. Inside you'll find backup camera, keyless entry, HD radio, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, MP3 player, cruise control, child safety locks, power door locks, power windows. Come see the car for yourself.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.